Do you have any idea how the Ford Ranger pickup is produced? The Ford Ranger is manufactured in Michigan, USA. It can tow up to 7,500 pounds of trailer and haul as much as 1,860 pounds. At the beginning, the car body is assembled and prepared. Then the robots weld several parts of the body. Now the robots place the body on the conveyor, which will transfer it for the next assembly. Next, the chassis is sent to a workstation in order to accommodate various systems, such as the frame, wheels, and brakes. After that, the engine and the transmission are attached to the chassis. Now a lifting device works on installing the dashboard. Later on, the company logo and the doors are attached to the body. The chassis, the body, and the trolley are attached to each other. The tires are then connected to the vehicle. Now robots inspect various parts of the Ranger pickup. At the end, the Ranger pickup is ready to be delivered. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow Mechanical Education.